Packtalk Pro.
Dynamic mesh.
Super nice packaging. So
Speakers.
they make it super easy for you.
It's in. Oh yeah, mine feels good, dude.
So it's in, locked on. We're gonna go get on the road, give these a try.
What's up, CROOKS MOTO crew?
Oh.
What's up, CROOKS MOTO crew? Welcome back to the channel today, guys. We have a pretty exciting little video for you. We got some products for you that we are putting on the helmets today.
Yeah, dude.
Run through what we got.
Cardo came through and hooked us up once again with the newest, bestest they have to offer. This is the Packtalk Pro.
Yeah.
They gave us one for each, so we decided to make a video just for you guys. And thanks again, Cardo, yeah, for hooking us up. We're going to, this isn't an install video, we're just gonna slam these on the helmet, and then we're gonna go ride and use them.
Just reading the back of this box, so we got 45mm speakers. We got crash detection. Apparently there's crash detection. So if you go down, apparently this thing will know and maybe call somebody for it. We got the air mount. Pretty sure that's just how it mounts. We'll find that out here in a sec. Second gen dynamic mesh connection. So better mesh, that's cool. Auto on and off. So it probably just shuts off after no activity for a certain amount of time, I don't know. IP67 waterproof, so you know, you can get this thing soaked. Natural voice, 1.6 kilometer range or 1 mile range.
Now we know from past experience of other models and other brands that it has never gotten anywhere close to the claims of use. And we're talking line of sight too. You go out of sight, forget about it.
It'll be interesting to see if this actually is better.
I imagine it will be better.
I imagine.
Is it a mile? Maybe it's 2.
Over-the-air software updates, cross-band connectivity, and that is what they call open Bluetooth intercom. So yeah, cross-band connectivity.
Rocking other brands with other brands, it gets a little chunky. All right, so we haven't opened these yet. So we're gonna open them right now. See what it's all about. Ooh, I like the packaging.
Yeah, this is dope.
Because then you get this nice.
Also, it's 13 hours.
Oh, that's good.
Of full connectivity and fast charging.
Got this
pretty cool.
Super nice packaging. Look, it says open.
Oh, nice.
Is it? Oh yeah, it's like that magnetic type. Oh yeah, magnetic seal.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Is yours the same on the inside?
Yep. Activate your unit.
Oh,
So we need a cellular device.
So,
A little QR scan.
QR scan to activate. Now, we already have these, a different model of these on our helmet. It looks to be the same size. So we're gonna undo everything and put the whole new system in, but pretty sure if you didn't care about how your speakers were or whatever, could be talking out of school here, but I'm pretty sure you can just slap this new unit onto your old setup because it looks exactly the same.
It looks very similar, dude.
Oh yeah, that's the exact same thing.
Try to attach it to your clamp.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
This one's black though, which I'm stoked because it's gonna blend in with my helmet, my black helmet more.
Yeah.
Your gray one blended in with your gray helmet. Now you're black. We just did the switcheroo.
We did the swap, dude. Okay, so we're gonna activate, scan the QR code. It looks like that just opens the Cardo Connect app.
Okay.
It's just to download the app.
Gotcha.
So we already have the app.
All right, looks like we got blah, blah, blah.
Packaging.
Pocket guide.
That's pretty cool. The installation guide, right? Full face, modular, 3/4. Works for all of them.
One thing that's cool about these is you can buy the bases. So technical difficulties.
All right, resume after technical lighting difficulties.
Anyways, as I was saying, you can buy different bases for this, more bases I should say, and put them on different, if you have different helmets. Like I have a couple different helmets, he has a couple different helmets, depending on like, got a 3/4 cut chopper helmet, got a full face, just take the base and slap it a base on whatever.
It's very
or not the base, the unit, I don't know.
You guys get what he's saying. All right,
Sticker.
so speakers. Pretty sweet.
You already found speakers?
Speakies.
Oh, this is a cool little coin purse.
Yeah, pretty sweet. USB. Oh, base unit. Nice. I like how the packaging is very organized.
Microphone, sticky stuff, different types of mics, alcohol prep pad. All right, Looks good.
Oh yeah, the pad, the side clip, that's like the 3/4 style. Slide it up and it just clamps on the helmet.
I think I'm gonna leave my base.
See,
and then I'm gonna replace
my base because the wire's kind of jacked up.
Oh, okay. We need base unit, speakers.
I am not putting speakers in mine because I can't. I just never can run speakers for whatever reason. Every helmet that fits me, just enough clearance for my ears to be in there comfortably with my little earplug headphones.
I will be running speakers because I rarely run earplugs.
This is the other mic. Like if you're gonna run a 3/4, you want to stick a little. You don't want to do the curve guy.
Yeah.
You can do this instead and just put it somewhere inside your helmet. All right, shout out to my bell, dude. Like 2 years now, I think I've had this. And it's nasty, dude. Do you ever clean your helmet? Why would you?
Yeah, I don't like sweat. All right, I'll grab mine too. Pow! So now I just gotta take all the crap off. Padding out.
My helmet's a little more complex than yours because I got a lot more wiring going for the face cam.
All right, so boom, microphone out. I just gotta undo this guy to get to my other speaker. Undo the...
Cardo's been a game changer.
Yeah, Cardo is better than any of them.
Like, we had Sennas for a long time, and it was constant where we would have to be like, all right, everybody pause music so we can talk.
Couldn't do it at the same time.
The like filtering of when voice came across and you were playing music was just so bad. And Cardo like just has such a way to make that easier. It sounds so good. Now here's the question. Do we need to heat gun these off?
Well,
We could just
this
peel
base
off.
comes off of that peel.
Oh.
So we don't have to undo the 3M.
Yeah, you're right.
So long as the base part, see, look,
How'd you do that?
there's a little clipper deal on the top. Pull that in, push it down, and slide it.
Nice.
That's easy. They make it super easy for you.
Yeah, it's like a 3-part system, which is real nice because if this is the same piece,
Let's see if this one slides on. If they're smart, they made it the same. It's so far looking like it is. Bunk. New one on.
oh,
Nice
shout
and
out
easy.
Cardo.
So the fact that they made sticky on the bottom, clip into the base clips into the unit. Like,
We just avoided a whole step upgrading.
super modular. So you could have left this. So in the beginning, if you remember, I was saying, I'm just gonna leave my base. And that was me thinking that it was all one piece, but it's not.
But
So
the sticky part, because the sticky part's the thing that's the inconvenience. Like, not inconvenience, but to have to 3M that off, clean it, re-am it on, hold it for, a minute until it sticks, and make sure you get your spot right.
yeah, so far, so good. Okay, cool.
It's not a bad idea to get yourself some Amazon quality, like Velcro. Throw a couple extra pieces of Velcro in there if you, just to make sure that mic, like, isn't hanging around, or if you go to move it, you're not pulling that sticky off.
Whoa.
Because some people need to move the speakers closer to their ears so that the speakers are closer. And that's a problem that a lot of people have with comm systems and why they're not loud. Because they have real deep headphone pockets in their helmets, just depending on how they're
I wonder if
designed.
that's something I need.
So those little extension pieces just bring those speakers out a little more. You might notice it when you put your helmet on, like those speakers are gonna come a lot closer, so they'll be closer to your ears. And I feel like that's a problem that a lot of people have is the speakers aren't close enough.
I'm gonna try that out.
Welcome back,
I
guys.
don't remember where I was.
We
Oh, I
are
was putting my freaking...
installing speakers and mics into the Helmies.
That's right. I was figuring out long side, short side. We have other videos on how to install these, by the way. So go ahead and go through our vast catalog of fun times and various adventures around the world, and you can see us jump into rivers, and you can see us install communication systems. Unique New York.
Cut my little piece. I'm gonna throw the back Velcro piece to the mic. The mic, for all you peeps, goes on the left side. Comm system on the left side, right? You got your throttle. You can put it on the right. I'm not saying you couldn't.
Sweet, there we go. Speakers installed. I gotta give a shout out to Cardo though, because a lot of companies, when they come out with a new version of something, they'll switch so much stuff up that you can't use any of the old parts. And this is, I could use all of my like base, Velcros, the thing that holds the base, the sticky part, the clip on it that holds the base of the communication system. It's made this way easier. Literally a couple snaps, a couple of presses, and like I'm 2 snaps away from my whole thing being installed. I'm gonna take the microphone and add the Velcro and install it.
It's in. Good. I got my little plug in the back right here. Now, if you're plugging speakers in, you plug directly in, you can hide these cords up in your helmet. I keep this guy out the back to plug my earplug headphones directly in. Also, one thing to take note when you're doing a new comm system, before you lock everything down and you call it good, put your helmet on and see if maybe the way you tuck the cords, sometimes you put them in the wrong spot, they'll start pushing on your head.
That's a good point.
So give it a little test before you just go rip it. Oh yeah, mine feels good, dude. Yeah.
Your mic is still so far from your mouth. Like mine's right in front of my mouth.
I thought this was a little better. It's a little further out than before. Just a smidgen.
Well, we'll test it out. It's all you can. It's Velcro, right? So you can move it around if you need to.
That's why I put a little extra in the front and the rear,
so you can
bring it out a little more, bring it back a little bit.
Okay, that button is done. All right, I think we're all good to go. Let's try it on, boys. I actually have my microphone tucked back a little more this time. Well, I've tucked it back a little bit to get it away from these vents. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for me personally,
if you guys made it this far in the video, you know what to do. Drop a like, say what's up in the comments. Also, so you guys know, in the video description, there will be an affiliate link to Cardo. If you guys are ready to shop for a new Cardo or a comm device, wanting to get comms, music, talk to the homies, or just need an upgrade, please check out our affiliate link. It does help us out a little bit, it helps you guys out a little bit. And if you're gonna buy one, click the link, help us out. That would be dope. Okay. Welcome back. GoPro overheating. All right, so I am paired via Bluetooth on mine.
So it's in, bam, locked on, ready to go. You're pairing?
Yep, paired. It says welcome to the Packtalk, or the Cardo fam. Shout out to the Cardo fam. Power it on, front button, the bottom button. Then you will press and hold the bottom red, blue blinky. Name the Packtalk, selecting the unit. Okay, mine says it has an update. So do it in your actual Bluetooth pairing for the initial time.
There it goes. Yeah, that worked right away.
Successfully paired.
Patience, I guess. Activate now. I'm gonna play some music.
That's pretty loud, dude.
I can definitely hear a little bit more lows, but it's so minimal.
Well, there is the audio, the JBL audio profiles.
Oh, I didn't look at that.
Right, so there's bass boost, high volume, or vocal.
You can turn off your automatic power control too if that becomes weird.
Yeah.
So that's nice. Yeah, I think that's louder. I'll know once we're gonna go out and we're gonna ride and show you guys these as we're using them. We need to pair our guys, pair mode.
Okay, how'd you do that?
Just hold the top button.
Okay, press and hold the top button until what? It had like a little purple guy.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna go.
Two riders are connected.
There we go. Yep, group one.
Finish. CROOKS MOTO.
And we're back again, time number 36.
Yes.
Helmet's on, things are hooked up, stuff's running.
For all you guys that are looking for an inexpensive option to have earplugs and headphones with your comm system, Amazon, they're like 18 bucks. They're these blue with the yellow. Plug them in to the Cardo little auxiliary jack. For me, these are lifesavers.
We'll talk sometimes while we're going and make adjustments while we're riding. That kind of went away after a while, but in the beginning when we first got these systems, it takes a little bit of adjusting. Like, oh hey, move your microphone away. You are clipping out my volume. We're gonna go get on the road, give these a try. We will see you on the Cerrado. That was lame. We're gonna see you down the road. Down the road. What's up, boys?
What's up, CROOKS MOTO crew? So big shout out to Cardo. Big shout out to our boy Taylor who hooked us up with these Cardo comm systems. shout out to you. And yeah, just big shout out to Cardo for making this video happen with the Packtalk Pros.
Bam, bam, locked and loaded.
These things rip, they're super good. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out crooksmoto.com. We have our affiliate Cardo link on the website. It's also in the description.
That's it, dude. We got this beautiful lake, this beautiful ride, making things happen. Just enjoying life. Shout out to all the homies who have recently been in dire straits.
Yep.
And I don't know when this will come out versus all of that, but it is a thing. So yeah, much love, and much love to you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. All right, guys. Well, be sure to check out the other videos on the channel. If you guys are new here, subscribe for more. We'll see you out there. Peace.
Lieutenant Dan!
Oh, that feels so good.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, that feels so good.